What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome back to another Chicago Lane Changers episode. You guys, I am in a load of pain right now. This side of my neck just feels so strange. Oh my god, I can't even turn my neck. I can turn my neck this way, can't turn it that. Yeah, it's killing me. But anyway, you guys, this video is actually gonna be really exciting. We are gonna go to our guy Alex, aka Silver Fox _ G37. We're gonna go to his house because he is installing a full Catback Motordyne shockwave exhaust. Now this is probably the loudest exhaust you guys have ever heard. Here's a clip of it. So yeah, I mean, his exhaust is pretty loud. It's definitely way louder than mine. And yeah, we're gonna go and see the install process. Hopefully we get some pulls out of it, and yeah, you guys are gonna come along with us. I do have to take in the trash, so let me take out the trash and let's get a closer on the G37. Now you guys, we have a bunch, and I mean a bunch planned. As you guys see, we have some forged carbon on the car right here. We got some right down there. I have to replace that with forged carbon. That's normal carbon fiber, but we have a lot. Do you guys really want to? I think you guys really want to pull, don't you? All right, let's drop the gears down. 4, 3. These intakes, man, they really like the morning cold air, especially in the fall, man. Oh, crazy. Oh, drop it first. Oh my god, man, I love driving in the morning. What's up, buddy?
See you again? Dude, I'm tired. I got no sleep last night.
And bro, me neither.
I didn't even want to get up and do this today. I'm just like, oh, it's so quiet. I want to get it loud again.
You guys, here's his exhaust. It's on stock, and then high flow cats, right?
Yeah, high flow cats, and it's got the non-resonated Motordyne XYZ wide pipe.
There we go. You can hear like the raspiness,
yeah,
like that
sounds,
G
it
raspiness.
sounds so bad.
Oh man, he's gonna get started. I was really interested in seeing how this is. Oh man, Billy is on his way, by the way. So I know you guys missed it. Well, Billy was in the last video, so I mean, who doesn't want Billy? Hey, Billy Bob.
Are you at his house?
Yeah.
Oh, what up, dog?
Hey, what's up, man?
Hey, I'm leaving right now.
All right.
You too.
You're so cute. All right, bye.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh, why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli. Ooh, why always me?
You guys, here's a big comparison between G37 mufflers, right? And then this is his Catback exhaust. But look at the mufflers right here. Full straight pipe compared to that. Big difference. And if you guys haven't seen the other vlogs, in some of the other vlogs, if you guys heard this car is really freaking loud. I mean, like, too loud. The car pops as well because it does have an admin tune. the car is just crazy. And he does, as you guys can see, he has the Sedan long tube intakes. Something I should have done. Went for short rams like a dummy. You guys, hopefully for next Monday's vlog, which will be on the 19th, I believe, we will be going cruising, doing like maybe a little cars and coffee in the morning. It's actually going to be really fun, so please stay tuned for that.
But I mean, is it really worth it for the smell you're gonna get every day?
That's true.
What's up?
What's up, man?
Damn, that's huge.
Where'd you get that hoodie from?
www.dreamsreality.shop. Get yourself one for the price of an arm and a leg.
You go crazy. He's such a hard-working man, you know that?
As you guys can see, he's putting on the headers to the cold air intake on his Infiniti Q40S.
Is that Q40S?
Yeah.
You know what I can use right now?
Starbucks.
Oh man, you know me, dog. So
I would tune it, but again, why the fuck would you do that underneath it somewhere?
you guys, I know the past 5, videos were all about the we're all Camaro-based content.
Another video's coming out soon.
Huh?
Another video's coming out soon explaining what happened to the car.
The car was at the shop. We did record. I don't have any footage on my camera.
I have footage on my camera, don't worry about it.
Okay, so we'll use that as a flashback. So you want to throw it in this video?
Maybe next video.
Maybe next video. We'll just throw it in the next video.
If you guys see this video, you're welcome. If you guys see the next video, sorry. Dude, I don't get paid for this.
I don't get paid
do
for
it. We do this for you guys, so you guys can enjoy our content more.
Oh, man.
So please subscribe.
You're such a hard-working man.
As you can see, we're over here helping out our friend Silver Fox G37 with his Motordyne exhaust, but I'm wearing, or actually I'm protected by the fine quality of our merch, D2R, our sweaters, our hoodies, fine quality right here. Get yourself your own fine quality hoodie at www.dreamsreality.shop. You won't be disappointed, and you can work as hard as me holding this exhaust down.
So you guys, the plan for the G37, there's kind of a lot to do left. I mean, we still want to get lowering springs. I'm sorry if I look in pain, because I am. This side of my neck is just killing me. I don't want to put the mood down of this video, so I'm gonna be very excited right now. Come on. Let's go. Hey guys. Swift lowering springs. I still haven't decided on what I want yet, but definitely lowering springs coming soon. Chrome delete coming soon, and more interior stuff coming soon as well. I am going to change the roof color. I'm gonna try to go for the starlit roof. I mean, we'll see. It all depends on because I feel like the value of this car, if I sold it privately, would definitely go up, because if you're a car guy and you want a G37, why not get mine? You know what I'm saying? If you guys want my G37, I'll sell it to you for $13,000 right now. Hit me up for inquiries only. Is this gonna be the last time you take off your exhaust?
Yeah.
No, I can just cut it right here. You see this little part in the clamp? I can just cut that off. But
Alright guys, the exhaust is on.
after I do the reflash, I'll show you guys that. It's pretty cool.
Flash?
Yeah.
Oh, did you take the? Oh, wait. I'm confused. Hard-working man over here.
Very hard-working man, you guys. He is done with almost done with his exhaust. Now he's going to reflash the tune. Yeah, I am actually.
They're supposed to be in a little bit, as long as they're the same height.
Why do they look uneven?
Oh, they look fine. They're supposed to kind of be
good.
in a little bit.
Oh, I know what you mean. Alright, you guys, you just refresh the tune. Let's see how better the car sounds. I think it sounds a little bit better. Sounds way better.
Temporarily.
Dude, mine's fucking always on. He launch controls it off the ram. Dude, those headlights are so good. Oh man. See the Camaro RS start up. You already know. Oh yeah. nuts. Guys, most beautiful thing in the world. Look, we got some cherries. Billy, eat one.
Yeah, poison.
Oh, here he comes. Holy crap. You guys, if you don't follow our Instagram, we have some content on there. You'll see before we post the vlog. Oh my god. Dude, can you hear that? Dude, where'd he go?
Fucking like, I mean, he did fucking bounce off the red.
Oh yeah.
I wasn't surprised he fucking blew up.
How you doing, man? Oh yeah. Canessas? You don't know who we are. We're Chicago Lane Changers. You guys, he is back. Oh my god. Dude, the intakes when when he goes full throttle, it's crazy. What?
I did out of nowhere. I'm like,
What was that, a C5?
yeah.
Holy crap. Dude, did you see that C4 or the C5?
Yeah.
Dude, like your car sounds so loud, but like on camera it just sounds like light pops, and I'm like, dude, that's not actually how it sounds.
I'm always trying to watch it on video.
Yeah. You guys, again, this Illinois fall. Like we have a really nice fall, to be honest with you. This is the best time to take pictures as well. Oh man. Okay, Billy. Holy crap. You guys, that is effectively going to end today's video. Hope you guys enjoy. If you did, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. If you're new to the channel, hit that little bell notification so you can be notified, be part of CLC Nation. But you guys, yeah, that was the Motordyne Shockwave Catback exhaust installation. Sounds really good. You guys heard it from the past. Dude, it sounds crazy. Nowhere near mine. He's really into Japanese cars. I'm not really into them like he is. He's doing everything the right way. So definitely prepare to see this car a lot more. Hopefully we will be going cruising as well. You guys did hear the Camaro. The Camaro is back. We will talk about that in a later video about why the Camaro was gone for a few days. But yeah, you guys, that is all for today's video. Shout out to my guy SilverFox_G37. Go subscribe and go follow him on Instagram. And you can say it right there.
Shout out to Blow Loader. Thank you.
That is all, and I'll see you guys in the next one. All right.